can't understand you with your beanie in your mouth. What? I can't understand you with your beanie. You want to take it out? Can you take your Mimi out? You can leave it on the table. Okay, what were you saying about the Christmas cards? What were you saying about the Christmas cards? You'd like to come over here and look at the Christmas cards, don't you? You like to especially look at the ones with the pictures, don't you? That one has Mickey Mouse on it. Oh, here you go. You want to come look at the back of the camera, huh? Well, there's nothing on it. Go on that side. Go over there. And I'll take your picture. There we go. And here's Amy, all cute in her little tutu. Oh, okay, you can't see anything again, once again. There's nothing to see. Go over there and I'll take your picture. Will you go over there and I'll take your picture? Okay, go over there and I'll take your picture. Okay, why don't you go over by the Christmas cards and I'll take your picture. Amy, will you go by the Christmas cards and I'll take your picture? Thank you.
Mom, Daddy, Mom,
But that's not your mom. That's not your mommy and daddy. Right? No, don't come over here. I get to be on this side. Ooh, I hear a snowplow. Here's the snowplow outside. Oh, maybe that's Daddy on the snowblower. Let's see if that's Daddy on the snowblower. Oh, we can see that. Daddy on the snowblower. I think he sees us. Daddy's been snowblowing all the neighbors' sidewalks. Isn't Daddy nice? There he goes. He's doing it so much that there's snow all over the sidewalks again. He's hardly able to keep up with the snow. There's some cars getting stuck on the street. Poor Daddy. And there he is with no hat on again. Yeah, he's brilliant. I bet we've gotten 4 inches of snow in 3 hours. Okay, Amy, can you go put the picture back? Go put the picture back. Okay? Put the picture back. Amy, go put the picture back. Not on this side of the camera. Go put it in the box, the Christmas box, the Christmas card box. Go on. Go put it back, okay? Put it back. No, you don't get to touch the camera. Okay, wave bye. Put it back. Okay, now wave bye-bye.